Hey lads, how's it going? My name is Aslan Khalik and this is Relax and Now. In this video, we are going to stylize this photo in old, legacy and dreamy style. So let's get started. First of all, go to the adjustment layer icon and choose vibrance. Increase the vibrance all the way to the 100 and decrease the saturation to -8 or 7. Let's add some -8. Sorry, my computer is going crazy. Again, go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time, go to the curves. Decrease the highlights. Just like that. It's too much. That's fine. Now, again go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose selective color. Go to the red channel, increase the yellows to +40 and magentas around 10 or cyans around -20. Go to the yellows and increase the yellows to 36 and magenta around +15 or cyans around +14. Go to the green channel and decrease the yellows -21, magentas around -58, cyans around +20. Close it and we have pretty much done this edit. So again go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose channel mixture. Channel mixer. And for this time choose channel mixer. Now decrease the reds -10, increase in green and blues -87 and go to the red channel and decrease in and just increase around 102 and just same for the. Now listen to this careful. Decrease the greens in the red channel -12 and blues and increase the blues around 15. Now go to the green channel and increase reds in green +5 and decrease the greens 94, blues +3 and we have pretty much done. Close it and now again go to the adjustment layer icon. We love adjustment layers. These provide us non-destructible work. Again go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose curves and just take it up just like that and close it and press Ctrl or Command I to invert it and take a brush. Take a soft round brush, resize it, white as a foreground color. You can press X to toggle between foreground and the background and just paint over the highlights. You can decrease the flow around 50% and just paint over the highlights. Just like that. Now I'm also painting on this bright dots to make it look more dramatic. There we go. Now we are going to add some color lookup tables to make it look fantastic or to pop up the image. This is the only word I have right now. And now go to the adjustment layer icon, and for this time choose color lookups. Go to click on the 3D LUTs and choose Kodak 52053510 by adobe.q. Click on it and just decrease the opacity around 85%. And now we are going to add a vignette. For that, go to adjustment layer icon. And for this time choose solid color. Now select the black color, click OK, and select the mask and resize the brush and just dab the kid. Of course, as a white color, select the white color, choose the white color and just dab once. Oh no. Select the black color and just dab once. Dab twice. Increase the flow around all the way to 100 and just dab twice or thrice. Now double click on the layer and just move the right slider to the left. It's harsh. Hold Alt or Option and click on the slider to break it apart and just move it like that to smoothen the transition. Now this effect is too much. Decrease the opacity around 35%. Click OK. Now we are going to add some text. Press T for the text tool. Type the baby. Click on the layer. I'm going to choose a font called April Fat Face. This is the font. I'm going to reset the kerning to 0. Click on the layer and press Ctrl or Command T to transform it. Now click on the paragraph and make sure it is aligned to the center. And there we go. Our design is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.